Alright guys, welcome back to the channel once again, and in this video we're gonna be talking about one very small thing. Like, I've been developing an app and I was just trying to figure out like how I can run this app in my phone actually. So it's a kind of React Native app, and I was looking over the all over YouTube and I couldn't figure out like how should I do it, because everyone explained in their different way and it was not clear so that you can use it. Okay, so I'm gonna literally show you over here like how we can do it, because let's suppose if you don't have an Apple developer program, if you are building an iOS app, so you have to have the Apple developer program and then you can build the application and serve it. But without that also you can do it by using the Xcode. But in the Xcode you have to sign in with your developer account, and after that you can just switch your iPhone or any iOS device, iPhone or iPad or whatever you have, so you can just switch it to developer mode and then you can install that application in your phone and use it. So I'm just going to be showing you where we can do it, and then easily you can do it too. So let's try it out. So let me take you to that screen, laptop screen, and then I can show you how we can do it. Okay, so let's look at this. So this is the code base, like where the app I'm creating, so I'm working on it. So this is React Native code, but if I show you the simulator, so this is the simulator which I'm using right now. So it's iPhone 17 Pro and I'm using it, and this is developing, so it's kind of you enter a number and then send OTP. So actually it has to go in the phone number, but right now I'm in development mode, so I'm just using this pop-up to see this OTP and then 206545. So I just put 206545 like this and then put it. So verify OTP, and then you come over here. So you see this, you're gonna see all the chat. So I'm integrating the API, so that's why it's gonna be showing the chats over here. So right now empty because there's no data in database, so it's kind of account has to be created and all those. And then this is like let me just reduce the size of it because it's kind of big size. So if I show you, so this is the chat screen, this is profile screen. You're gonna see all the profiles over here, and then you can see the settings over here like this. Okay, so that's the three screen right now I have built. So I have to finish this chat screen. Like, you can click on it, go to the message box. Actually everything is over there, so but it's kind of, let me stop this. Anyway, so we can look at that in another video when I'm gonna be developing that, because I have integrated the API, so it's not working. Okay, anyway, so we were talking about like how we can run this app in the phone. So let's suppose, so I have my Xcode open over here. So if I go to Xcode over here, and I will literally show you, I will actually show you over here so how it's gonna work. So this is the app. I've just opened it, and I'm just switching my phone to developer mode so you can see it too. So if we go to see, so we have privacy security over here, and we click on it, we go scroll down to the bottom. In your app you will see this kind of option, and once you click on it you will find an option to switch it, and then you switch it like this, and then it will ask you to restart because it's gonna be running your phone into the developer mode, so it has to restart. Okay, so it's gonna be restarting for a while, so I'm gonna show you over here. So once you put it into the developer mode, so you're gonna be seeing your phone listed over here, and make sure you have to connect your phone by USB, or like it should be connected in the same network, so it will automatically take it by AirDrop or something. So it has to show up over here, but anyways I will show you later. But yeah, so this is what you have to do. So right now I just select like iPhone 70 Pro, and meanwhile my phone is open. iPhone 70 Pro, I just switch it, and I just it's the same app. Like, you have to take this file from VS Code, like you have to go in this file when you build the application, do npm run iOS. So this, you have to take this file inside my xcode.x project, like X workspace. You have to get this file folder, and then you just go into the Xcode and run it. So once you go over here, you run it, and then you will build the application. And if this code is good, so it's gonna build the application. Otherwise it will show you the errors over here listed, and you're gonna see the errors as well over here. So you see many warnings are coming. Okay, if I try to build it now, so it's gonna be start building. You see it's still building, and it's also gonna be launching the simulator because I have selected simulator iPhone 17 Pro. So once it's finished building, you see it's building, and then it's gonna launch the simulator. So same way, once my iPhone gonna be switched to developer mode, I will see my iPhone listed as well over there. Okay, so yeah, so as you can see Abhishek's phone, so this my phone is also listed over here. So this build we will finish it. Next we're gonna be launching, okay, let me just select this one. So now it's building it, so now it should launch this app into my phone. It's gonna ask me permissions and all, and I have to put it over there. So you see the build is succeeded, so it launched into this one because the earlier it was selected to this, so it launched the application over here. So now it's doing some process like launching application indexing, so it didn't index the build as well, so keep it saved. Yeah, it's launching. Once it running the app all those processes it's gonna be showing you over here. So this is for simulator. So it has launched the app over here, and then it will finish it. So once it finished, and it will show you the progress over here. So your Xcode is running and the build is running, so it will show you all the progress whatever you do into the simulator. Okay, but let me show you into the iPhone side. Before that, what we have to do, you have to go in this file folder, click on over here, and then in the signing and capabilities you have to go over here, and then you have to, if you are not logged in, so it will ask you to log into developer account, and once you are logged in, it will show your account over here like it's showing mine, because it's not I haven't joined the Apple developer program, but I have created the account over that, so it's showing like this over here. And you have to keep the unique name of your bundle, like build file, like this, so that it will get updated into the developer portal, and then it will show up over here, and you don't have to do anything after that. You just have to build it. So now I have selected this my iPhone, and then I will start the build again. It will start building it for my phone now, and next time it will just open in my phone, and I'm going to show you. So let it just finish, and I will show you my phone how it runs. So that's what you have to do for running. So make sure your phone has an updated version of iOS so that you can switch it to developer mode, and you have to go in privacy security in settings. You can search on the Google as well, and then you switch to developer mode, and it will come into the Xcode, and you select your phone over here. It should be listed. Otherwise, connect via USB, go to Xcode and go to settings. So let me just fill this one. I will show you. It asks me signing keys because it saves the details into your keychain, and then it is attaching the app to my phone now, and I will show you. Just you see, preparing Abhishek's iPhone. Xcode will continue, so it will show you things happening over here into this one. Into this one, sorry, we have a background. That should work. Yeah, see, it's installing, and once installation finishes, and then it will open the application. So it's also caches. So Xcode manages everything, but you have to remove the caches later because it's gonna fill up the memory into your MacBook, so that's not good. So the app is installed. Latest app is installed into my phone now. Now let us finish, and I want to open it, so I can open it as well, so I don't have to wait for launch. So see, my phone is open, and now I put anything, OTP 459579. So you see, I logged in, and I can switch it to this, all those things. This is a basic thing, and yeah, it's under progress, but that's what we have to do. So this is gonna be doing, and then it's gonna be finishing by itself. I will cancel it, so it's fine with me because the app is installed. I was just showing you where you can find if your phone is connected, and then it will be connected in your Xcode. When you connect your phone, it will ask you trust this computer and all, and then it will just connect it. So you can just you can select your Xcode. You can go to Windows over here, Windows window, and you have to just check device and simulators. You can come over here, and you're going to be seeing your phone listed, like if you have a physical device. Otherwise, you can just find all the simulators which you have installed from Xcode. Okay, so other ways like around, you can go to settings over here, and then settings over here if you want to add more simulators, so that you can go components and you can install it from here. You have to just get it, platform support, and then you can get it. Yeah, you can install as many as things you want to install. You can install it over here. Okay, that's what it is. So it's like simple, but it was a useful information, so I just wanted to share because I was managed to do it, and it would be on YouTube. Maybe I couldn't have figured it out, like find out into the YouTube video, so that I searched on Google mostly, and then tried it, and it worked. So that's how you can do it. Okay, see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.